Top 30 stocks of Philippine Stock Exchange Index. What is PSEI? It is the stock market index of the Philippine Stock Exchange. It is the benchmark of the performance of Philippine stock market. Number 1. Ayala Corporation.
Ayala Corporation is a holding company of the Ayala Group of Companies. It is the oldest holding firm in the Philippines, being founded in 1834. Significant subsidiaries include Ayala Land, Manila Water Company, Integrated Microelectronics, AC Energy and Infrastructure Corporation.
Number 2. AC Energy Corporation. AC Energy Corporation is the energy subsidiary company of Ayala Group. It has approximately 3,000 megawatts of attribution capacity in the Philippines, Vietnam, India, Indonesia, and Australia. The company operates solar, wind, and geothermal energy plants. Number 3. Aboitiz Equity Ventures Incorporated. Aboitiz Equity Ventures Incorporated is the holding company of Aboitiz Group. The company and its subsidiaries are engaged in various businesses such as power generation and distribution, food manufacturing, real estate development, and financial services. Subsidiary companies include Aboitiz Power Corporation, Union Bank of the Philippines, City Savings Bank, Pitnet, Rafi Microfinance, Pilmico Food Corporation, Goldcoin, Vinhon Feeds, Aboitiz Infra Capital, Apu Agua, Lima Estate, Lima Water, West Cebu Estate, Aboitiz Construction, Aboitiz Land, Aboitiz Data Innovation. Number 4. Alliance Global Group Incorporated. Alliance Global Group Incorporated began as a glass container manufacturer in 1994 and in 1999 got an approval as a holding company to broaden its business interests. Alliance Global Group is engaged in property development and township projects, quick food service, food manufacturing and distribution. Subsidiaries include MegaWorld, Emperador Incorporated, Travelers International, McDonald's Philippines, and Infracorp. Number 5. Ayala Land Incorporated.
Ayala Land Incorporated is the property arm of Ayala Corporation. The company is engaged in property development of condominiums, mixed-use and integrated developments, leasing of commercial and office space developments. Significant subsidiaries include Ayala Premier, Alveo Land, Avida Land, Amaya, Makati Development Corporation, North Triangle Depot Commercial Corporation, Laguna Technopark, Tenats Philippines Incorporated.
Number 6. Aboitiz Power Corporation. Aboitiz Power Corporation is engaged in power and energy business. Its line of business is in power generation, power distribution, retail of electricity services, and distributed energy. They operate distribution facilities in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Number 7. BDO Unibank Incorporated.
BDO is formerly ECME, which was acquired by SM Group. It acquired the Equitable PCI Bank in 2007. In 2014, it acquired the #1 rural bank in the Philippines, Network Bank. It is now named as BDO Network Bank. BDO is now the #1 bank in the Philippines. Subsidiaries include BDO Capital and Investment Corporation, BDO Private Bank Incorporated, BDO Leasing and Finance Incorporated, BDO Finance Corporation, and BDO Securities Corporation.
Number 8. Bloomberry Resorts Corporation. Bloomberry Resorts Corporation is engaged in business relating to hotel, gaming, and entertainment operations. They own Soleil Resort and Casino located in Parañaque City, Metro Manila. Subsidiaries include Suresti Properties Incorporated, Bloomberry Resorts and Hotels Incorporated, Bloomberry Cruise Terminals Incorporated, Soleil Korea, Bloomberry Resorts Japan Incorporated. Number 9. Bank of the Philippine Islands.
BPI offers various financial services such as corporate banking, consumer banking, investment banking, asset management, corporate finance, securities distribution, and insurance services. Subsidiaries are BPI Family Savings Bank Incorporated, BPI Capital Corporation, BPI Direct Banco Incorporated, BPI International Finance Limited, BPI Remittance Center, Hong Kong, BPI Europe, BPI Century Tokyo Lease and Finance Corporation, BPI Insurance Corporation, BPI Asset Management and Trust Corporation, and BPI Investment Management Incorporated.
Number 10. Converge Information and Communications Technology Solutions Incorporated. Converge is engaged in the construction, installation, maintenance, and operation in the Philippines information and communications technology. They started their broadband internet operation in June 2012. Number 11. Globe Telecom Incorporated. Globe Telecom Incorporated is a giant telecommunications company in the Philippines. They offer Globe Prepaid, Globe Postpaid, TM Network and Internet services. Subsidiaries include Innovi Communications Incorporated, GTI Business Holdings Incorporated, Kickstart Ventures Incorporated, Asticom Technology Incorporated, Globe Capital Venture Holdings Incorporated, Bayan Telecommunications Incorporated, Tau Dharma Incorporated, G Towers, Yondo Incorporated, and Electronic Commerce Payments Incorporated. Number 12. GT Capital Holdings Incorporated. This holding company is owned by the T family. The company has business interests in banking, automotive assembly, importation, distribution, financing, and property. Subsidiaries include Federal Land Incorporated, Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation, Toyota Manila Bay Corporation, and GT Capital Auto Dealership Holdings Incorporated. Number 13. International Container Terminal Services Incorporated.
The business interest of ICT is in the operation, management, development, and acquisition of container terminals. Aside from their operations in ports and container terminals in the Philippines, they also have presence internationally.
Number 14. Jollibee Foods Corporation. Jollibee Foods Corporation is a popular company in the Philippines. They operate quick service restaurants.
Some of the stores they own are Jollibee, Chowking, Greenwich, Red Ribbon, Mang Inasal, Burger King, Highlands Coffee, Dunkin' Donuts, Smash Burger, The Coffee Bean, and Tea Leaf.
Number 15. JG Summit Holdings Incorporated. JG Summit Holdings Incorporated is a holding company owned by the Gokongwei family. They operate business related to foods, agro-industrial and commodities, real estate and hotel, air transportation, banking, and petrochemicals. Number 16. LT Group. LT Group is majority owned and controlled by Tan family. They operate businesses in beverages, tobacco, property development, and banking businesses. Subsidiaries include Sanduay Distillers Incorporated, Asia Brewery Incorporated, Fortune Tobacco Corporation, Philippine National Bank, Saturn Holdings Incorporated, Paramount Land Equities Incorporated, and Eton Properties Philippines Incorporated. Number 17. Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company.
Metrobank is one of the popular banks in the Philippines. Their business activities involve deposit taking and lending, trade and finance, remittance, treasury, investment banking, and thrift banking. Subsidiaries include First Metro Investment Corporation, Philippine Savings Bank, Metrobank Card Corporation, Oryx Metro Leasing and Finance Corporation.
Number 18. Mega World Corporation. Mega World Corporation is engaged in real estate development, leasing, and marketing. Subsidiaries include Richmond Hotel Group International Limited, Eastwood Cyber One Corporation, SunTrust Properties Incorporated, Empire East Land Holdings Incorporated, Global Estate Resorts Incorporated, and Bonifacio West Development Corporation. Number 19. Manila Electric Company. Manila Electric Company main business is in the distribution and sale of electric energy. Meralco has 4 categories in their distribution, namely residential, industrial, commercial, and street lights. Number 20. Metro Pacific Investments Corporation.
MPI business interests is in power, toll operations, water, healthcare, rail, logistics, and others. Subsidiaries include Beacon Electric Asset Holdings Incorporated, Beacon Power Gen Holdings, Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation, Maynilad Water Holding Company Incorporated, Metro Pacific Hospital Holdings Incorporated, Metro Pacific Light Rail Corporation, and Metro Park Logistics Company Incorporated.
Number 21. Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated.
Pure Gold is engaged in trading and retail business. They operate Pure Gold stores all over the Philippines. Some businesses they also own are Aya Gold Retailers Incorporated, 31 Minimarts, 20 S&R Warehouse Clubs, 46 S&R Quick Service Restaurants, 2 Mercado branches, and 30 San Roque supermarkets.
Number 22. Robinsons Land Corporation. Robinsons Land Corporation is the property arm of JG Summit Holdings. They are into property development and they operate shopping malls and hotels, including leasing of office buildings.
Subsidiaries include Robinsons Inn Incorporated, Robinsons Realty and Management Corporation, Robinsons Properties Marketing and Management Corporation, Robinsons Cayman, Altus Angeles Incorporated, Altus Mall Ventures Incorporated, Go Hotels Davao, RLC Resources, Bonifacio Property Ventures Incorporated, Bacoor R&F Land Corporation, and RLGB Land Corporation. RRHI is engaged in trading and retail consumer goods. They operate department stores, DIY stores, convenience stores, drug stores, and specialty stores. Subsidiaries include Robinsons Supermarket Corporation, Robinsons Handyman Incorporated, Robinsons Appliances Corporation, and Robinsons Convenience Stores Incorporated.
Number 24. Security Bank Corporation. Security Bank is into wholesale banking, financial markets, and retail banking. Subsidiaries and joint venture include SB Finance Company Incorporated, SB Capital Investment Corporation, SB Rental Corporation, SB Equities Incorporated, SB Cards Corporation, SBM Leasing Incorporated, SB Forex Incorporated, and Security Finance and Leasing Incorporated. Number 25. SM Investments Corporation. SM is the holding company of the C-owned businesses, namely retail, property, and banking. Subsidiaries include the SM Store, SM Supermarket, SM Hypermarket, Save More, Walter Mart Supermarket Incorporated, Alpha Mart, SM Prime Holdings Incorporated, SM Development Corporation, BDO Unibank Incorporated, and China Banking Corporation. Number 26. San Miguel Corporation. San Miguel Corporation is a diversified conglomerate which has business interests in fuel and oil, energy, infrastructure, and real estate industries. Subsidiaries include San Miguel Food and Beverage Incorporated, Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated, SMC Global Power Holdings Corporation, Sea Refinery Corporation, San Miguel Holdings Corporation, and San Miguel Properties Incorporated. Number 27. SM Prime Holdings Incorporated. SM Prime Holdings Incorporated is one of the property arms of SM Group. Their business categories include malls, residential developments, commercial and hotels, and convention centers. Subsidiaries include SM Development Corporation, Costa del Jamilo Incorporated, Tagaytay Resort Development Corporation, SM Arena Complex Corporation, SM Hotels and Conventions Corporation, SM Land China Limited. Number 28. PLDT Incorporated. PLDT is an integrated communication service provider in the Philippines. They offer the most extensive fiber optic, fixed line, and cellular network in the Philippines. Subsidiaries include Smart Communications Incorporated, PLDT Clark Telecom Incorporated, PLDT Subic Telecom Incorporated, PLDT Global Corporation, PLDT Philcom Incorporated, PLDT Maratel Incorporated, Bonifacio Communications Corporation, Digital Telecommunications Philippines Incorporated, PLDT Global Investments Holdings Incorporated, and PLDT Digital Investments Limited. Number 29. Universal Robina Corporation. Universal Robina Corporation is engaged in various food-related businesses. Their core business segments are branded consumer foods, agro-industrial products, and commodity food products. Number 30. Wilcon Depot Incorporated. Wilcon operates Wilcon Depot and Wilcon Home Essentials. The company currently owns 63 stores nationwide, 3 of which are mall-based.